Scooter? Where are you?
I think I found something.
Scooter? Where are you?
Over here, dum-dum.
Oh. Scooter? Wait up.
Better catch up. I think I smell something very strong and powerful.
Scooter?
Over here!
Oh. Scooter? What'd you find?
Hang on. Something's very stinky.
Stinky? Where is it, Scooter? Where is it? Scooter!
Hey, when you gotta go, you gotta go.
Anything, Scooter? You smell anything?
Well, I don't really smell anything yet.
Come on, Scooter, go to work. Come on.
Hold on. I think I smell something. Wait. Oh, it's just me. Hang on. I smell something different. Ah! It's the stinky garbage can.
Well, garbage cans do smell.
No, really? Whoa, 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 whoa. Where do you think you're going?
Well, you're not really finding anything.
Well, didn't say it was gonna be fun.
Well, that's true. Well, apparently my dog hasn't found anything yet, but,
Hey! I found something!
he found something. Where is it, Scooter? Where is it? Where is it?
It's up there.
Well, how are you gonna get up there, Scooter?
I don't know. I'm not a climbing dog. I'm just a regular dog. Woof, woof.
You're right, you are just a regular dog, not a climbing dog. Hey, Scooter, why don't you go check the two bushes? Oh, and be careful, they can be pointy in there.
Ouch!
See?
Now, what do you want to do?
I don't know. I just been following you.
Something sure stinks around here, and it ain't me.
Well, that was fun.